Hello friends, welcome to yet another fascinating session of Wisdom Zone. This is Shubro, and friends, in today's video I'm gonna discuss adverbs of manner in English grammar, and I'm gonna give you so many important examples so that you can use all these important adverbs of manner in your communication. So it is my earnest request to all of you, please watch this video to learn all the important adverbs of manner I'm gonna discuss today. And if you still haven't subscribed to this channel, please do not wait, immediately go ahead and subscribe to Wisdom Zone and hit the bell icon to get the first notification. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So friends, welcome back once again to this captivating session on adverbs of manner in English grammar. And as I have promised, in today's video I am gonna discuss adverbs of manner. Not only that, but also I am gonna give you several examples so that you can use all these adverbs in your everyday English conversation. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So friends, before I discuss adverbs of manner, so let me give you a brief idea about an adverb. As you see on your screen, what is an adverb? So you must know what is an adverb. So as you see on your screen, an adverb generally modifies a verb, adjective, another adverb, etc. It modifies, it describes more about that verb, adjective, or another adverb. As you see, she is extremely funny. So here the word extremely is modifying. So how funny she is extremely funny. So it is telling me more about that word funny. So it always modifies a verb, adjective, and tells us more about that. It can be also an adverb. So up next I'll also discuss an adverb of manner, so it's going to be easier for you to understand what exactly is an adverb of manner. So as you see on your screen, an adverb of manner describes how an action happens. It tells us how an action is performed, in what way, the way an action happens or takes place. So as you see, the example is on your screen. She speaks slowly. So if I ask the question how she speaks, the answer is slowly. It is telling me how she speaks. That means she speaks slowly. It is telling me the manner she speaks, how an action happens or how an action takes place. So I'm quite sure it's crystal clear. Up next we are going to discuss adverbs of manner in details. As you see on your screen, adverbs of manner normally come after the verb or after the object. So an adverb of manner can come after the verb or it can come after the object also. As you see the first example on your screen, he ran quickly. So here I'm using the adverb of manner after the verb ran. So how he ran? He ran quickly. It is coming after the verb. And you see the second example, she opened the door quietly. So again you see door is obviously the object, the noun, and the word quietly is the adverb of manner. So I'm quite sure it's clear. So it can come after the verb or it can come after the object. Here in this case, as you see the second example, the door is the object. So up next we are going to dive into the most important aspect, how to form adverbs of manner, how to form sentences. So as you see, the first method to form adverbs of manner is by adding ly. As you see, we usually add ly to the adjective to form adverbs of manner. As you see some examples, the first is quick. Quick is an adjective, I hope you know. So we are adding ly to make adverb of manner. So as you see, Tom walked quickly. So the adverb of manner is quickly. So similarly, you see the second important one. Let me read out the second example, that is bad. So again, it's an adjective and I'm adding ly. I'm forming the adverb, that is badly. So as you see the example, let me read out the important example. Please pay attention. He performed badly. So how he performed? He performed badly. So very important one, badly, quickly. Let's see the third one. As you see, the third is careful. Again, I am adding ly with this adjective and forming the adverb of manner, carefully. Sam drives carefully. How Sam drives? Sam drives carefully. It is telling me the way he drives. So up next we will see another example, how to form adverb of manner, adding ly after the adjective. As you see, fourth one is quiet. Again we are adding ly, so the adverb becomes quietly. So as you see the example, Ron left quietly. So I'm quite sure it's clear. Next one is again sudden. Here also I'm adding ly and the adverb becomes suddenly. As you see the example, Smith arrived suddenly. So very important one, suddenly. The next is, and the sixth one is very important. Unexpected is the adjective. I'm adding ly to form the adverb, that is unexpectedly. So as you see the example, he lost unexpectedly. That means it was not expected. Unexpected, and adding ly at last to form adverb. And the last word, as you see, is loud. Here also we can add ly and form adverb of manner, that is loudly. So the adverb is loudly. So she shouted loudly. So I'm quite sure it's clear how to form adverbs of manner. I have given so many important examples, 7 important examples how you can make some adverbs of manner by adding ly after the adjective, like quickly, badly, carefully, quietly, suddenly, unexpectedly, and loudly. Up next, we are going to see the next method. As you see, we can also form adverbs of manner. In case of an adjective ending in y, we need to change the y to I and add ly. In case of an adjective ending in y, we simply change the y to I. We remove the y and put I and then add ly. So let me show you. As you see the 8th example, happy. So as you see, it is ending in y. So I am removing y and adding I, happ. Then I am adding I, and then after that also adding ly. So the adverb of manner becomes happily. Example, they lived happily. So I'm quite sure it's clear how to form adjective of manner. So let's see some more examples. As you see the 9th one, easy. So again here we see it's ending in y. So I'm removing the y and adding I and then also adding ly. So the adverb becomes easily. So as you see the example, he passed easily. So I'm quite sure it's clear. Let's see some more examples. The 10th one is greedy. Here also it's ending in y. So I'm removing the y, adding I, as you see on your screen, and then also adding ly. So the adverb becomes greedily. As you see, he looked greedily. So adjective is greed and the adverb is greedily. So he looked greedily. I'm quite sure it's clear. And the last one in this category, as you see, angry. Again ending in y. So I'm taking off the y, that is removing the y and adding I and then adding ly. So the adverb becomes angrily. She spoke angrily. So I'm quite sure it's crystal clear. This is another method of forming adverbs where in case of adjectives ending in y, we change the y to I and after that also add ly. So let me repeat the examples: happily, easily, greedily, angrily. So at last we are going to turn our attention to some exceptions. There are some irregular adverbs of manner that you must know so that you can use them properly, and they are very important because they do not change in that way we discussed, or we cannot alter the spelling in that way. They are quite irregular. As you see the 12th one, that is good, and the adverb form is well. Okay, it changes completely, so we cannot do anything. So good and the adverb is well. So as you see, she speaks Latin very well. Similarly, 13th one, that is fast. Fast remains fast. The adverb also is fast. We cannot add anything. Fast is adjective as well as an adverb. So as you see, Peter ran fast. So Peter ran fast. It's telling how Peter ran. He ran fast. I'm modifying the verb here. I'm telling more. I'm telling the manner way he ran. And the next one is on your screen, and the last one is 14. Again, late. It remains late. It does not change. I reached the office late. So I'm using this after the object, that is office. So I'm quite sure it's crystal clear. So friends, today I gave you some extremely important adverbs of manner, and I have discussed in details what exactly is an adverb of manner, how to form them, and the methods to form adverbs of manner. And I have also discussed some irregular adverbs of manner, and I have given so many examples. I have given 14 important examples of adverbs of manner. You can use all these. These are very important. Try to remember them and incorporate them in your communication, and they are going to help you immensely to speak correctly and also going to help you in writing. So friends, I'm quite sure you have liked this video like my other videos. So it is my earnest request to all of you, if you still haven't subscribed to this channel, please do not wait, immediately go ahead and subscribe to Wisdom Zone. and hit the bell icon to get the first notification. So stay tuned for further informative videos, friends, and do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Wisdom Zone.